Once you click through to the Human Anatomy Atlas, you'll see that you can view things by region of the body, systems of the body. You can look at a gross anatomy lab, cross sections, microanatomy, and muscle actions. You can search all of these things. You can look at them all and see what they all do. I'm going to go into systems and select the skull. And you can do an anatomy search if your instructor says look for something. For example, I'm going to look for teeth. And then you'll click on Show Me, and it will show you what you have typed in. Now, say your instructor said, look up this thing and then find a way to share it with your classmates. You would go to Download Image and click on Download Image, and that would download the image to your Downloads folder, and then you could share it with your classmates or your instructor.